Alright, this is 2 days after the big storm. We're driving up Coldsping Lane, and a lot of people have dug themselves out and have gone back in. It's 1 o'clock again. Hey, how far you gotta go? Hop in. Yeah, because I'm going that way anyway. Alright. Keep it close. Yeah. Can you get across there? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Whew. Thank you.
We're doing Good Samaritan duty today.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem. Up the Alameda?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You walked all the way down here?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm Curt.
Samantha.
Hey Samantha, that's Christian. How you doing?
Hi.
So we need to go out and get food?
Yeah.
Okay.
My kids ate it all.
The kids will do that.
Yeah, especially the grooming ones.
You got grown kids?
No. The oldest one is 10.
Okay.
The youngest one's 4.
Alright. Now we turn on the Alameda, what seems to be pretty good shape. When's the, oh, it's down there?
Mm-hmm. You can actually go to the next one and I can get out from there because I can walk straight in.
You want to get out here?
Yeah, I can walk straight down.
Okay.
Just straight shot. Thank you so much.
Yes ma'am, you're welcome.
Y'all be safe.
Thank you. There's nothing behind us so you can get out.
If I fall, don't laugh, okay?
No, we won't laugh. But it will be on Facebook.
Oh yeah, that would be good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Give me a shot of this. This is beautiful. Are you going to do the entire street now or what?
I'm gonna do what I have to do to get to work tomorrow.
I know that's right. Well, I unstuck 3 cars down there for you this morning. You see me?
I seen you down there
Okay.
this morning. Hey, you're doing a great job.
All right. Well, I was just trying to. I was trying to get a snowplow through here, but people
Man,
parked up there.
What happened up there? What's the deal up there?
People parked the cars up there.
Where? And the senators we getting? Where am I gonna put that?
We supposed to be getting 10 more inches?
Tomorrow?
Really? Yeah, well, you have run out of room to put stuff. What's your first name?
Sinclair, man.
Sinclair?
Yeah, Sinclair,
Yeah. I'm Curt Anderson.
How you doing, man? Okay, man. How you feeling, man?
I'm doing
okay.
good.
All right, excuse me.
This is my son, Chris.
All right, how you doing, man?
His real name is Christian, but we call him Loud Pack.
Loud Pack, huh? Like that.
All right, I'll see you later,
okay, man. All right, y'all take it easy.
Hey, be safe. You too. All right, you know the old people supposed to stop after a certain time.
That's where I'm gonna stop.
I stopped yesterday.
All right.
All right.
I don't know if you back away up to him.
I'm hoping it goes down to
Soapbox is empty.
Soapbox is empty. Let's see what Kimberleigh looks like. Glad we can get out on this one. So, how long you been stuck?
No,
Oh, you're just trying to get up. I tell you what, I'll break it up. You can walk up.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Curt Anderson. He's the man, all right. Yes, sir, brother, he's the man.
All right.
That's right.
What's your name?
Michelle.
Troy. Michelle and Troy hopped in, and where we going, y'all?
Thank you.
State Employees Credit Union.
That's where I'm going.
Yes.
I'm going up because I got to pay him some money.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going up to CQ.
You coming back down?
Yeah, I'm coming back down.
Oh, well, we gonna hold you up. We gotta get out of that cricket pal phone bill.
My phone won't be out here because our phone's going to be cut off today.
Oh, okay.
And we don't have a house phone, so.
Okay. And then there goes the ambulance, a fire truck. You know, the city has answered every single fire and police call today without getting stuck. That's pretty good. I know people are complaining about the side streets like that one right there. What street is that, Bo?
That is Wadsworth.
Wadsworth? But it's passable. It's just that it's not, really plowed like people had hoped. Okay, so it looks like a snowplow has not come through here at all.
No, not at all.
In fact, no cars have been through at all.
No cars been at all.
And this is, what street is this?
Kimberleigh Rd.
How long you been living here?
Living here 5 years.
Okay, who's that lady up there shoveling up there?
That's my wonderful wife.
Oh my goodness, so we got to shovel up to where she is?
Yeah.
Otherwise, y'all can't go to work tomorrow.
We can't go to work tomorrow at all.
Okay.
At all.
All right, so this is my son right here, Christian. And that's his friend Trevor.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna help out.
Sure. Appreciate it.
All right, man.
Appreciate it. Good. Thank you.
And when you go to work, man, if you get a raise, you're gonna give me percentage, right?
Well, I don't know. I'm a pastor, so yeah, but I'm sure we do something extra.
Okay. Oh, you're a pastor?
Yeah, I'm Bishop Waters.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we got to definitely help the bishop out.
Well, help is greatly needed.
So you were praying, right?
Yeah, we were praying, but
and God sends somebody to help you.
Right.
The Lord works in mysterious ways.
Very much so.
Okay. Very mysterious when He sends me.
Right.